Welcome to our quick and handy guide to Google Tips. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips and tricks to make the most out of Google's powerful tools and services. Let's dive in. Google offers more than just a search engine. Get ready to unlock the full potential of Google with these useful tips. Let's start with Google Search. Did you know that you can refine your search results by using quotation marks to search for an exact phrase? It's a handy way to find precise information. Want to search within a specific website? Simply add site followed by the website URL to your search query. Google will only show results from that particular site. Looking for images? Use Google's reverse image search feature. Just drag and drop an image into the search bar or click the camera icon to upload an image. Google will find visually similar images. Need to convert units or currencies? Google has got you covered. Just type in your conversion query like $20 US to European or 10 miles to kilometers, and Google will give you the instant conversion. Want to set a timer or an alarm? Simply type set timer or set alarm in the search bar, followed by the desired duration or time. Google will start the countdown or set the alarm for you. Need a quick calculation? Just type your equation directly into the search bar, and Google will provide you with the results. It's like having a calculator at your fingertips. Did you accidentally close a tab in your web browser? Don't panic. Press Ctrl or Command plus Shift plus T to reopen the recent closed tab. It's a lifesaver. These are just a few of many helpful tips and tricks Google has to offer. Whether it's refining your search, performing conversions, or accessing helpful features, Google is here to assist you. So the next time you use Google, remember these tips to refine your search and productivity experience. Thank you for watching our video on Google Tips. Explore and experience Google's features and unlock a world of possibilities.